I'm studying this class in Phoenix Global School in Vidyanagar. Today my speech about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a great man. His full name was Bhimrao Ambedkar. His father name was Ramji Maraji Sakpal. His mother name was Bhimabai Sakpal. His mother also prepared tasty dishes. He rejected Hinduism by caste problem. His father against this with caste. He taught caste people its struggle. He also played cricket, but he had trouble fitness, work dedication, never give up attitude and perseverance. We should learn about him. We can courage difficult easy. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I am studying 6th class in Phoenix Global School. Today I am giving a speech about India's trailblazer in space. His name is Sumanshu Shukla. Sumanshu Shukla, a name that becomes synonym with courage, dedication and spirit explanation of India. He joined NDA, National Defence Academy at just 16 years old. Later earned his commission as fighter pilot in Indian Air Force in 2006. Over nearly 2 decades, he has logged more than 2,000 hours of flying, advanced aircraft like Su-30 MKI and MiG-21, rising to the rank of group captain. He served as a decorated test pilot, but it is his recent achievement that has captured the imaginations of nation. On June 25, 2025, Shukla became the first Indian astronaut to travel into the International Space Station. He was only the second Indian astronaut in history to journey into space after Rakesh Sharma's legendary 1984 mission. He was the pilot of Axiom 4 mission. He launched the SpaceX 9 Falcon rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center, coming with the hopes and dreams of over a billion Indians. In his own words, Life of Shukla tells, as I embark on this journey, I carry the hopes and dreams of over a billion hearts. This is not my journey. Who want to reach the stars? Shukla faced numerous challenges on his path into the space. We should learn several lessons from Sumanshu Shukla like resilience, perseverance, lifelong learning, dedication and inspiring a nation. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Vishita. I am studying 6th class in Phoenix Global School. Today my speech is about Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata was born on 28th December 1937 in Bombay. His father's name was Nahar Tata and his mother's name was Soni Tata. In an Indian industrialist and philanthropist, best known as the former chairman of Tata Sons, which was the Tata Group. He also introduced the Tata Nano and the world's most affordable cars. He directly involved in philanthropy and he threw the Tata Trust. Ratan Tata was a very kind person and helped to poor people. He led the company from 1991 to 2012. He led the Tata Group with leadership skills. Ratan Tata was symbol of honesty. He is the former chairman of Tata. He given a dream for our middle class family to travel a car at an affordable price. Ratan Tata was a net worldwide recognition. He is take the heart of every Indian. At the time of pandemic, he donates the 1,500 crores of rupees for our Indian citizens. He is the brand ambassador of 146 companies. He received Padma Bhushan Award in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan Award in 2008. And he is so kind person and helping nature. But he died 9th October in He is the real hero for our India. But unfortunately, we lost a precious diamond for our India. Thank you for giving this opportunity.